my channel. For today's video, guys, we will do another unboxing. So, it's not about Shopee, Lazada, and Temu now. So, ngayon, guys, we will be doing unboxing, guys, sa ating phone. Ayan. But this is not mine. This is my husband's phone. So, he wants to practice of to use a screen touchscreen cell phone. So, ayan. So, this one is only for practicing for him because he doesn't know how to use touchscreen phone. He have a tablet, but he still have a problem using it. So, now he bought a new phone for himself. It has 8 gigabyte RAM and 256 gigabyte ROM. So, ayan. So, and, yeah. So, ngayon guys, ibabaks ko na. So, ayan guys, I'm so excited for him to try this phone. Ayan. This is a Redmi 15C. So, ayan. So, ayan yung... Ngayon guys, ito ay a-unbox ko lang. Ang dami kong ina-ano story. Mag-unbox lang naman ako ng Redmi. So, ayan. So, ito na siya. Ito na siya guys. Ayan. So, ito yung tsura. Nakita ko na to siya, guys, kasi nung bumili si Ben, sumama ako, and then nagbili din ako ng phone, and then after nitong video na to, para may dalawa tayong content, meron din akong i-upload na phone ko. I-unbox ko yung phone ko mamaya after nitong pag-unbox ko. So, ayan. So, ito yung tsura. Ito yung phone. Pero, punta muna tayo sa loob kung anong mga kasama nito. So, ayun. Hindi ko alam kung paano talaga mag-unbox. And parang naiilang ako mag-video kasi it's been a long time guys na nagbi-video ako. And then, ang dami ko nang absent sa YouTube. And yeah. So, meron siyang kasamang jelly case. Ayan. Included na siya guys pag bumili ka ng phone na Redmi. So, meron siyang jelly case. Merong safety information, ayan, safety information, and then the start guide and warranty card. Yung itsura niya, guys, ayan. Talaga, guys, yung aking, guys. So, ayan yung mga warranty card and, alam niyo na, sure. And then, may kasama na siyang 33W charger, ayan. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya. Watts siguro. Watts. Hindi ko alam. Basta yun na yun. So, ito na yung... Ito, wala na siguro tong laman. So, ayan. Wala na siyang laman, guys. Yung box. So, meron siyang charger and jelly case na kasama. And, ito na yung phone. Uy, ang ganda. This is... What is the color? The color is Midnight Black. Which is, guys, ayan, para siyang may pa kinang-kinang na style. Ayan. So, isi-set up ko pa to siya mamaya. Ayan, yan yung kanyang itsura, guys. Madami pa siyang i-check, isi-set up kasi bago nga siya. So, ayun. So, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, sa ating channel. So, para ma-update kayo sa susunod nating video. See you again next time. Love you all. Bye!